In this video, we are going to learn lesson number 19, My School. So, you all are ready? Okay. Sureka and Mihir woke up early than usually. They began to dress without their parents' help. They were hurried to get to school. Mother asked Sureka, "Why are you in such a hurry today?" Sureka replied, "Today is the birthday of my school. We will get sweet today. We cleaned our classroom yesterday. Today there is a class cleanliness and decoration competition. I like my school very much." Father asked Mihir, "We didn't have anything like this in our time." He replied, "Daddy, just as we celebrate my birthday at home, in the school we celebrate our school's birthday. My school ranked first in the in sports and various other competition. We hold elocutions and sports competition within the school too. Daddy, I like working on the project, going on the trips and taking part in get-togethers." Do you know, student, in the olden days of in the country, student used to go to the teacher house to receive the education. They live there for a few years and complete their education. In the later period, the teacher and student of different ages came together. The teacher would then teach the student. Student traced letter and number of numbers on the ground. In this period, opportunity for girls' education were very rare. When the British introduced the present school system, Mahatma Phule and Kranti Jyoti Savitri Bai Phule began in Pune to educate girls. Here, see the changes in the school. Now, in that previous year, education of girl child is prohibited. Now, there is nothing because Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule work hard for the educate the girl child. Okay, see, in the village, students gather under the large banyan tree or in a shady place where one teacher taught the student of different ages. They were taught reading, writing, and simple arithmetic. Uh, when the British came to India, they introduced the modern school system. Our people realized that there can be no progress without education. People began to come forward to send their children to school. This is how the present day the school were formed. Here, do you know who is that student? This is a Savitri by Phule. Many people were curious to see this annual result of Savitri by Phule's school for girls. When the girl who stood first was given a prize, she said, "I don't want prize. I want a library for the school." This girl used to study until late in night at home. Jyoti Rao and Savitribai Phule had arranged to give agricultural and technical education to the children in the school. Do you know, student? Our national anthem was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He had started a school in Bolpur in Bengal. The school was held in the midst of green tree, colorful flowers, chirping birds under the blue skies. The school was called Santiniketan. Children love that school very much. How peaceful it was. No noise or chores. No sound of automobiles, no clatter of house carriages. A school in the shade of the tree. Students were taught to sing and dance. They were taught art and craft. Children put up their own play, sing, dance, and learn new subject. Children from other country also came to study here. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913. He gave the prize money to his school. Mahatma Gandhi's views about education are important. He laid stress on the dignity of the labor and on learning by doing. We learn so many things in our school. We learn patriotic song, draw the picture, and so many things in our school. Okay, student, do you like the school, student? Yes, you like, because you are missing school nowadays. Okay, because of this all. Okay, we we play in the school, yes or no? Okay, we play kho, kabaddi, lazim in our school. We must punctual. We must go school on time. Then only we call punctual student. Okay, don't be a late. Okay, in the online class also you should punctual and go. You must go school regularly. Okay, and second thing, what going on time is called punctuality, student. If someone call who is a punctual, those who are going to school proper time, that he or she may call punctual student. Okay, in a school we learn how to keep ourselves clean. We also learn the importance of keeping public places clean. Personal and public hygiene help help to keep us healthy. See, where we are sitting, there must be clean and tidy. Keep your surrounding clean, then you may not fall sick. Okay, you are staying at home or whether you are staying at school, keep your surrounding neat and clean. Okay, student. See, all student how they are curious to learn. Okay, see, they all are good boy and girls. You too, na? Okay. See, in school, library, playground, and computer lab is there. In your school also, this all facilities there or no? Okay. Yes, they are. Books borrowed from the library should be returned on time. If you borrow anything from the library, you must be returned on the time. We should not be tear the damage the pages of the books. We should not be tear the pages and damage the library book because it is a school book. So you must take care of that book. See how neat and tidy classroom. Like that, whenever you come to school, school should be like this, neat and clean, and no dust, no rubbish here and there throwing. If by mistake you tear any pages, just roll it and throw in dustbin. Your schools should be like that. Quarrels may arise between friends, but they should be resolved amicably. Every person who is quarreling should get a chance to present their side. Quarrels should not be lead to physical fight. The teacher should be asked to help if a quarrel can be resolved, cannot be resolved. Resolving quarrels peacefully is a good way to end them. If it teaches us to solve problem in community life amicably. If issues in community life are resolved peacefully, many of our problems will be solved. See, we should not be quarrel in the school. If quarrel has done, then also it should not be physical fight. Okay, so whenever any quarrels, it should be resolved very amicably. Be okay. Each child must be get the opportunity to attend the school. School is for everyone. We learn how to get along with other at school. We get to know a lot of people at the school. We realize that we are a part of this society. Do you know there is a ban of employing children below the age of 14 in the factory, mines and other hazardous occupation. आपको पता है बच्चों को, छोटे बच्चों को जो 14 साल से नीचे हैं, उनको कोई जगह काम करने के लिए अलाउड नहीं है, चाहे वो फैक्ट्री हो, माइंस हो या तो खतरनाक ऑक्यूपेशंस हो, वहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं किया है क्योंकि वो छोटे हैं. इन द 2006 the right against the exploitation was expanded to include their child labor. It made all kind of child labor illegal. All kind of child labor is illegal. Okay. What we learn? We look at here. What we learn? First, personal and public hygiene help us to keep us healthy. Second, we all like school. Yes or no? Third, issue arise in community life should be resolved amicably. Fourth, each children must have the opportunity to attend the school. Okay, till that much everyone understand? Any queries? No? Okay, fine. You all are very good. Thank you for watching my video.